Hello friends, so today we are going to solve a very easy problem, that is, given the language L is equals to a raised to power n, b raised to power n, where n is greater than equal to 1, and we have to design the PDA for the given language. So let's get started. So initially we will be making the start state as Q0. Now we will be defining the transition, that is, if we get input symbol as A, initially the stack top is Z0, so we'll be adding this A onto the stack. Alright, so if we get input symbol as A, initially stack top is Z0, so we'll be replacing it with AZ0. Again we get an A, that is input symbol as A, stack top is A, so we'll be replacing it with AA. So basically what we are doing here is the number of A's we are getting, we are adding it onto the stack. Now if we get the first B, so if we get the first B, our stack top is A, so we'll be replacing it with null and going to the state Q1. Alright, now at state Q1 we get a B, our stack top is A, so we will be again replacing it with null, and this will go on till input is over, stack top is Z0, so we'll be replacing it with Z0 and moving on to our final state Q2. Alright, so this is our PDA. Now let's understand that if we get an A here, initially stack top is Z0, so we'll be replacing it with AZ0. Again we get an A, again we are adding it onto the stack. If we get our first B, so we will be deleting a corresponding A to that and moving to the state Q1. So we have made a separate state Q1, and on that state we are looping, that is, on every B we are deleting a corresponding A by replacing it with null. Alright, so basically what we are doing, first we are accumulating all the A's, then we are deleting A's corresponding to B's, as our languages A raised to power n, B raised to power n. So we are restricting that first we will be accepting only A's. Once we have accepted a B as input symbol, so we will be accepting only B's as input symbol, and now no A can occur, as we have not defined any transition for input symbol A on Q1. Alright, so we will be deleting A's corresponding to B's, and when the input is over, that is null, and our stack top is Z0, so we'll be going on to the final